Rogers verification emails often end up in spam or junk folders due to aggressive filtering by email providers like Gmail, Outlook, and Apple Mail. These filters misclassify Rogers emails, usually from @rogers.com or ignite.com, as spam because they contain generic content like verification code or lack personalization. Rogers has implemented email authentication protocols such as SPF, DKIM, and DMARC to improve deliverability. But issues persist as email providers can still aggressively filter transactional emails. Start by checking your spam or junk folder. If you find the Rogers email there, mark it as not spam to help your email provider learn that these emails are safe. Whitelisting Rogers.com and Ignite.com can also improve deliverability. If the email is not in your spam folder, use the Resend feature in the My Rogers app or website. This generates a new verification code and attempts to resend the email. Rogers allows up to 3 automatic retries within a 10-minute window. If email delivery continues to fail, Rogers offers SMS or app-based notifications as backup verification methods. Rogers offers SMS or app-based notifications as backup verification methods. Ensure your contact details are correctly set in your account settings. Rogers is also working on AI-driven email routing to circumvent spam filters, with a potential 20 to 30% reduction in incidents by 2027. The trend is shifting towards app-based verification for high-risk actions to reduce reliance on email. Check that there are no other active phone numbers to send the verification code to, or that you're not putting in the phone number or username incorrectly.